Hello everybody, I am back for the part number 2. My name is Natalia. If you missed my first video, it's 2 videos in the same day. I just wanted to upload this a little bit quicker, so while you're watching, the second video will be loaded to my channel. This package is from ARTDOT and 2 canvases we've reviewed today, so this is part 2. And we will do one by one because it is such a luxury product that I have to give a lots of love to it, because it can't just do as fast as possible. Because look at that, how often you've received a diamond painting shipped to you like this. So in the first video you will see all the details about this, which is I've read what's in here on the box. You can pause and read. It's the glory of the diamond painting, that you will have no stress. You know, you're gonna be so relaxed to working on this project with beautiful sparkle diamonds. Also, art is licensed, and our second design is with the lighthouse, and it's licensed design from the artist. You buy this, you support artist, which is absolutely amazing. So this design, which you know what, we can open, but all information already on this beautiful box. Grab and go. You can do extension this to over your shoulder and go for a jog and stop at the park and do diamond painting. Oh, we do have a name in here on the box as well. So painted by John Zasho. Yeah, so both of these arts by the same artist, and there's another 2 canvases that you will see in my link. There's a lady, Barbara, I think the name Barbara, I can't remember the name though. Full name. So the toolkit is absolutely amazing in this kit. I love it. So much stuff. Now I know not to miss canvas. It's stuck in here. Look at that, beautiful. The way they ship, it's just so amazing. And then after you're done your diamond painting, you can store in here something else that you already created but don't have a time to put in a frame maybe yet, or just keep this design after you finish. But I'm not sure how the sealer works, because let's pretend we are watching this for the very first time. Maybe you missed video number 1. So we have in here a toolkit, which I'm going to open again, because some of the viewers probably will go and watch this video first down the row. So we have 2 blue wax pieces to work with your pen. We have a 1 placer and 3 placer. We have in here 30 pieces of parchment paper to put on your canvas. If you don't like one big sheet of coverage, you can place one by one. People even put like a numbers on it and play in like a wheel spin which number to pick. It's like, you know, before Christmas people play in this kind of games and creating a block by block. So 30 pieces of paper, and yes, thank you card. And then we have in here, which you don't have this with different companies, it's the sealer after you finish your diamond painting. The only thing I don't know, after sealer, if this canvas still will be flexible to roll it, or it's going to be stiff. So that thing we have to figure out by working on it after we finish. So we have a smudger in here that you can put your liquid into it. Okay, and then what else we have? We have 3 trays. Oh, there is a tweezers, very good quality tweezers. This one is super sharp, very sharp. It will really help you to pick some stuff off the canvas or even place your diamonds with it, because it is very good quality tweezers. So good toolkit, unbelievable. Then we have a 2 little trays with the lids. You can easily open them by sliding, and they have a sections in here for like let me show you from this side, better to see, for the 3-placer diamond separation, and there's the big lines if you want to do one by one or have a bigger multi-placers to use this. So we have a 2 of this, and if you didn't finish working on your art, you can definitely just leave your diamonds in it, because you're not gonna spill it. It has lid on it. And same thing, we have a 1 big one. If you're working on a big area of background, it has lots of the same diamonds. It's same thing you have in here, separation for the 3-placer and just the regular lines, also with the lid to close. And at the same time, you can actually use this tray to hold your smaller tray. The only thing, this lid not going to fit on the top unless from a, no, it's not going to fit on the top. So that's good. I'm going to leave it this right now, because I'm really interested to see this design. So that's our tools. Amazing toolkit, don't you think so? I love it. Link under my video in the description box will take you straight to this design, so you don't have to look around. But also do look around, because they have the most amazing storage for the diamonds. Lots of good accessories, light pads, and I did lots of unboxing. Oh my god, look at this, another gorgeous art. Another gorgeous art. Okay, so in here we have a stickers for the symbols that go with this design. Here is the design, very famous, I think, and people who live by the ocean, you will appreciate this art for sure. It's beautiful. I love the flowers, and basically you can see pretty much same thing on this picture, because the rendering of the symbols done so well. Same thing we have in here. It says it's license, name of the artist, size in here. It has the same amount of diamonds, 47,700, because it's exactly same size, I think. Yeah, 67 by 46. It's exactly same size as the other design, so you can frame them as like companion canvases together. Isn't that gorgeous? Canvas is velvet canvas. It's so soft, it's so like it's to touch. It's such a beautiful canvas to hold just in your hands. Look at this, symbol wise clarity is very good, and the quality of the glue is super sticky. No, wanna go super sticky. Your diamonds will melt into it and stay so good that I don't even think you will need that sealer. But it's so nice to have the sealer. I was amazed to see actually that they have this sealer, and it's a very like a chubby. It looks like it's going to be good not just for one design, but you can squeeze later maybe in some kind of container from the cream. Maybe you have a face cream empty container to put excess into it, because as soon as you open it's not going to be very sealable. But yeah, I have this scrubby, so you can just like go all the way through the diamonds, and it's supposed to give you still good clarity. It says stay shiny, so let's hope so. And repeat curing, so you can use over and over as much as you need. And the most important thing, it says it's safe and non-toxic. 80 ml inside in here, nice and squishy. Nice and squishy. Now for the best part, right, to see the diamonds, what kind of diamonds was this one, and do we have AB diamonds here as well? Because their AB diamonds are so shiny. So what we have in here? Oh, I see diamonds in here in AB. Also 3 colors. Yeah, just the 3 colors of AB. But this time we have an orange and kind of like a mossy green. It's almost like this kind of color in here. So it's going to be somewhere in the bushes probably. Look at that. Okay, orange, 2 packs of 46. Yeah, so this 2 packs, it's exactly same color. Look at the sparkle of AB. Oh, it's going to be so gorgeous. And the second color is this one. Also shine very, very good. Wow. Amazing. And then let's just run through all the colors in here. So I think canvas number 1, it was more colorful because we have more flowers up there. In here, as you can tell, lots of blue colors because we have in here lots of sky and lots of water. So all this, look at this, look at this. I think it's a 3 colors, 41, 3 bags, and all this 5 bags of 40, 3 bags of 39. So yeah, lots of shades of blue. One more in here. Let's look this way. Colors. Squeaky, squeaky. Look at the diamonds, so shiny. Look how shiny they are. Just it's a premium quality diamonds, plastic. Yes, you will have to put in the containers, but I'm sure many of you already have fancy containers from ARTDOT. I do have them and I love them. I love them. There is some good magnifier glasses up there. I wonder if they are better than the one I have. If your vision not as good, they have a magnifier glasses that can be sit, I think, like on your nose or go on your forehead with lots of exchangeable lens of different magnification. How would we say? Oh, that's a little bit, but that's a very pretty color. Yes. Okay. So each of these designs have 3 bags of shiny AB diamonds, but in 2 colors only. So same thing was in the first design, 2 yellow and 1 other color. So that's our diamonds, looking so good, looking so good, and art looks really good. And the thing is, the way it's shipped, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love how they put this big picture on a container, and at the same time, not only you have a diamond painting as an art on your wall, also you have a beautiful storage container for the rest of your life because it's done so good. Look at the perfect, and the way they were shipped, nothing got squeezed or damaged. It was amazing. Oh my goodness, this is so good because also, you know, it's shipped in the boxes, so it's nice and sturdy and save your product. So my friends, let me know what you think. Don't hesitate, go get some, help artists to earn their commissions money because they are deserved by creating all this art. It's not AI generated by computer. They work hard to create this art. And I'm so thankful that ARTDOT licensed them and bring it to us joy to work with shiny diamonds. And because you know how happy we are when we complete diamond painting and we look later on this shiny. Oh my goodness, if you finish any of the diamond paintings, Go on a very sunny day outside and look those sparkles. You will be blown away from the beauty of the sparks. It's so satisfying. It's my like favorite moment after I finish my diamond painting. So we have a work to do in November. We're going to work on one of them. We will make a poll which one design you want me to work on first. You can comment in this video because by now you already see both of those designs. Tell me what you think about the toolkit, the sealer in it. It's amazing. And diamonds are gorgeous. So I will see you tomorrow with new video, of course, because I record every single day. Click on the link below, go to these designs, and don't forget to check it out. New product added to the store because it's a luxury. Since you go step into the website, it's like you went to the very, very fancy boutique. It's it's a breath of fresh air to just look in the store. Everything, such a beautiful color palette and display so nicely that you just want to buy something up there. Storages, amazing. Really, really recommend. So thank you so much, ARTDOT, for asking me to review this product. It really, I knew it's going to be a luxury stuff because I know already quality of this brand. I did many reviews before, long time ago actually. So I'm glad that you bring more artists into the store, and I'm looking forward to see what else new you will bring. And by the way, I'm waiting one more product to review from ARTDOT, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and you will never miss my video. If it's pop on your feed, come and look because it's always going to be a quality stuff. Thank you so much for staying with me today. I love you all, and I will see you tomorrow.